How to watch videos in Telegram without downloading them. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily view videos on Telegram without actually downloading them to your gallery or even Telegram downloads. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Telegram application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So what usually happens is if you tap on any of your chats, you'll be able to see Telegram videos. And right here, if you see the Telegram video, it will start downloading something like this, and you might even save it on your gallery. So in that case, what you can do is turn off the downloads from your settings. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now from here, you can just tap on the settings icon. And once you land on the settings page, you'll find something called data and storage under settings. Tap on it. And then you'll see the automatic media download. Make sure that this is turned off on all of these options. And if your videos and photos are being saved to your gallery, make sure this option is turned off as well on private chats and groups as well. So after doing this, you should be able to see Telegram videos without actually having to download them. So let me just go back. And if I just go ahead and open any chat here or any group, you'll be able to see the videos. So if I just tap on it, you'll be able to see the videos and photos without actually downloading, and they won't even be saved to your gallery. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.